Hey friends, if Realtek Digital output has no sound, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sound in the right pane. Okay, and then you can choose the sound output accordingly. Now, once this is sorted out, you can try checking if the sound works. If not, then return to the system tab, scroll down and then select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Now once this helps, if it still doesn't fix the problem, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager, expand the list of audio inputs and outputs, and update the drivers. Right click and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.